Welcome back to our gentle beadwork masterclass. Today, we're stepping into the world of beginner projects, simple bracelets, earrings, and necklaces. These projects help you build confidence while enjoying the calm rhythm of craft and colour. We'll start with bracelets because they're the perfect first project. A single strand bracelet teaches you how to measure your wrist. You'll learn to choose a thread or wire that feels comfortable and create a clean, secure clasp. You'll practice spacing your beads, balancing colour, and guiding your hands with steady intention. Even the simplest bracelet becomes a quiet expression of style. Next, we'll move into earrings, small pieces that make a big impact. Earrings teach you how to work with headpins, simple loops, and jump rings. You'll learn how to stack beads into graceful little towers, how to create movement, and how to keep your wirework neat and polished. These tiny projects are wonderful for practicing technique without feeling overwhelmed. And finally, we'll explore simple necklaces. A single strand necklace helps you understand length, symmetry, and flow. You'll experiment with focal beads, gentle colour transitions, and the way different materials rest against the skin. Necklaces are a beautiful way to bring everything together: thread choice, bead selection, crimps, and finishing touches. Each of these projects builds your skills one step at a time, guiding you toward more advanced designs while keeping the process peaceful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the playlist on my homepage for more gentle beadwork lessons.